Hello everybody, today I will show you how easy it is to call a remote SOAP web service in Axon.ivy. We have a use case where we have to start a business process when the sun comes up. To get that information I have to call a remote SOAP web service. For that we open the web service client's definition, we add a new client, enter the web service definition URL and generate the stubs. In this example, we don't have any problems with namespaces, so we can skip this dialog. For the next step, I prepare my process data. I'm interested in the sunrise time, which is of type float. Now I can call this web service in my business process. For that, I use the web service call activity. On the request tab, I choose my previously defined web service, choose the right port, and the get sunset rise time method. In order to get the sunrise time, I have to send the geo-coordinates of a specific place on Earth to the web service. I send the latitude and longitude of one of the most beautiful places in Switzerland. On the response tab, I can map now the complex data of the web service back to my process data. As you can see, this web service returns several informations, but I'm only interested in the sunrise time. Now we can see how it works. I can start the business process, which calls the web service. The history view shows me the process data in a certain point of time. At the beginning, the process data is empty. At the end, the process data is filled up with the sunrise time. Noteworthy is also the runtime log view. The request and the response is logged on protocol level. For example, you can open and have a look at the request body here. For example, you can see the latitude and the longitude which was sent to the web service. As you saw, inter-process communication is simple and easy. You don't have to care about complex XML technologies. You can call SOAP web service without any special skills.